Hello and welcome to the Select Catering Equipment Review Show. This week we're doing the CED Multideck chilled displays. Multi-deck displays allow you to display chilled foods that people can just reach into and grab and take away. It's a fantastic thing for maybe a small business to add to its profitability, because you can do some fresh food before you open, put it into the chilled multi-deck, making sure that you abide by health and safety laws, of course, and you will need to check those out if you're going to be selling food from them. And it allows people to come in, grab what they want, pay for it very quickly, and then go. It means they're not taking up very much of your time and they're not taking up any space in your business, so they can really add to your profitability, which is great. We have worked with CED to create this specific line, which are very hardware, and they're made of steel, very good quality refrigerator compressors, and they are just sturdy, great pieces of kit. They all come with casters, so they're easy to move around. The CED multi-decks have a lot of options. First off, it's the depth. So you have two different types. You have the SLIMLINE and you have the standard. SLIMLINE are 635 mils deep. The standard are 795 millimeters deep. Now you also need to allow 50 mils at the back for those, for the wire to come out the back, and also for a little bit of space for the refrigeration venting. Then after that you have the width that you can choose, and there are 5 different widths for both of them. Both the SLIMLINE and the standard come in 600, 900, 1200, 1500 and 1800 millimeters wide. You can also have 3 shelves or 4 shelves. The shelving is very hard wearing, it's steel, they've got a steel back, both of them. If you go for the SLIMLINE, if you can imagine Coca-Cola bottles, if you like, you get 4 Coca-Cola bottles on a shelf. In the SLIMLINE, you get 6 on a standard. Both of them also have a bottom layer, a floor as it's known. And on there you can get 6 bottles deep in your SLIMLINE, and you can get 8 standard. The other option that you have is you can either have a night blind or a roller shutter. So a night blind, you may have seen them, they're kind of reflective fabric, you can close them up. So the night blind is the cheaper option. The roller shutter is probably the more secure because they are lockable. The roller shutter also gives slightly better retention of cold, so it doesn't allow much heat to escape when the shutter's down at night, which means it does save you a bit of money and makes it more efficient. The great thing to remember about these is that, as well as all of these different size options that you've got, and the roller shutter and the night blind options, you can also have glass sides. If you don't have a glass side, people can't see what's in there. It really is true in any kind of these situations. If it's out of sight, out of mind, and that's a really important element, and it's just something that you really should consider. If it is going to be sat on its own next to the door of your business, do consider having glass sides, because it does increase sales. All the elements we've just talked about, all the different sizing, the shelves, the glass sides, are things you need to specify before you buy. We can't retrofit these things, so once you've got it, that's what you've got. But the other good thing about the CED is you can also add some baskets to it. You can see on our website, if you have a look at them, there's an option to add it as an accessory. You can add a wire basket to the front for elements that don't need chilling but do go very well with the items in the chilled cabinet. So the CED multi-decks, they have a lot of different size options for you. Whatever the size of your business, whatever you want to be doing, they have a size option for you. Do consider the glass sides if the customer can actually see the side of the multi-deck where it's going to be, and do consider having the baskets as well to encourage customers to upsell. These are fantastic, well-made, hard-wearing multi-decks that we are very proud to sell. There you go.